Hello everyone! Welcome to Daily Life Smart English. In today's lesson, we will practice giving opinions at work.
Now, turn up the volume and start practicing with us.
Giving your opinion at work is an important part of working with others and making decisions. It helps teams improve ideas, find problems early, and work better together. However, many people feel nervous about sharing their opinions, especially in English, because they don't want to sound too direct or not confident enough. In this video, you'll listen to a real workplace conversation where one team member leads the discussion, shares opinions, and suggests improvements in a professional way. Follow along and practice with me. And in just 10 minutes, you'll sound more confident when giving your opinion at work. My name is Alice, and today I'll be leading the conversation and sharing my ideas. Harry will be the manager, listening and responding. This lesson is perfect for background listening. You can listen while working, walking, or relaxing. Before we start, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe our channel. Okay, let's begin. Thanks for meeting with me today, Harry. I wanted to share a few thoughts before we finish the plan.
Of course, Alice. Thanks for taking the lead. Please go ahead.
Overall, I think the plan is good. The goals are clear, and the approach matches what we talked about before.
That's good to hear. Which part would you like to discuss first?
I'd like to start with the implementation phase. In my opinion, this is where we may face some difficulties.
All right. What concerns do you have?
Based on my experience with similar projects, the plan may not fully consider how much coordination is needed between teams.
That's a good point. How could that affect the project?
If coordination isn't handled carefully, we could see delays or extra pressure on some teams during busy periods.
I understand. What would you suggest as a first step?
My suggestion would be to clearly assign responsibility for each part of the work. This would reduce confusion and help decisions happen faster.
Do you think roles are unclear now?
Not really unclear, but I think they could be clearer. This would help everyone know who to contact when problems come up.
That makes sense.
Another point I'd like to mention is how often we communicate. Regular check-ins will be important once the work starts.
How often do you think we should meet?
In my opinion, short weekly updates would work well. They don't need to be long, just quick updates on progress, risks, and next steps.
That sounds reasonable. Why do you think this is helpful?
It helps everyone stay aligned and allows us to solve problems early before they become bigger issues.
I agree. That's very useful.
I also want to talk about how we deal with unexpected problems. Instead of deciding each time, it might help to agree on a clear process.
Can you explain what you mean?
If we set clear steps in advance, the team will know when and how to raise issues quickly, without slowing things down.
That would make things clearer.
Exactly. My goal is to avoid surprises and keep work moving smoothly.
That's a good goal.
Another topic I'd like to discuss is involving stakeholders earlier. From my point of view, this could improve communication.
Do you think they need more information now?
Not necessarily more information, but earlier involvement could help set clear expectations and reduce changes later.
Which stakeholders would you focus on?
I'd start with operations and customer support. They often see practical issues that others may miss.
That's a very good point.
Finally, I'd like to talk about the timeline. Adding small buffers between key stages could make the plan more flexible.
How would that help?
It would give the team time to handle unexpected issues without changing delivery dates right away.
Do you think that would delay the project?
I don't think so. In fact, it may help us avoid bigger delays later.
That makes sense.
Overall, my goal is not to slow the project down, but to make sure we work steadily and keep quality high.
I really appreciate how clearly you've explained your ideas.
Thank you. I wanted to share these thoughts early so we can make good decisions before the work begins.
That's the right time to do it.
If you agree, I can summarize these points and share them with the team.
Yes, that would be helpful.
Great. I'll prepare a short summary and suggest next steps for everyone to review.
Excellent. Thanks for leading this discussion.
Thank you for listening and giving me the chance to share my ideas. Now, let's practice key sentences from the conversation. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. Overall, I think the plan is good. In my opinion, this is where we may face some difficulties. Based on my experience, this may need more coordination. One suggestion would be to clearly assign responsibility. Regular check-ins will be important once the work starts. My goal is to avoid surprises and keep work moving smoothly. From my point of view, earlier involvement could help. I'm happy to summarize these points and share them with the team. Great work! These sentences will help you share your opinions clearly and professionally at work. Try shadowing them again later today while doing something else. If you find this helpful, remember like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future lessons. See you in the next lesson!